The Uzbekistan 2030 Development Strategy aims to increase the annual export of IT services to $5 billion and to train and employ 300,000 young people in the IT sector through programs designed to meet the needs of international companies. With a rising trend, an increasing number of IT firms are considering establishing offices in Uzbekistan. The demand for skilled IT professionals is increasing. Despite having 108 higher education institutions specializing in IT, the country still faces a shortage of qualified professionals who are familiar with modern IT practices. On April 17th, opening ceremony of the Ustudy Training Center under OSINFOCOM was held in the Ministry of Digital Technologies. This center provides high-quality, affordable training in various in-demand fields, including cybersecurity, graphic and motion design, Python, OSINT, and both back-end and front-end software development. The program at Ustudy allows students to utilize advanced technologies and modern teaching techniques, complemented by hands-on training with experienced IT professionals. In addition to technical skills, the curriculum also enhances soft skills such as marketing, finance, and IT negotiations. A unique feature of these programs is their dual education format, where students learn theoretical concepts and apply them directly in practical settings through projects with the country's leading companies. This blended approach not only deepens theoretical understanding, but also provides students with practical skills that are highly valued in the job market.